Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about BTN troubleshooting, a quick guide to help troubleshoot some common problems with BTN. So I'm sure all you guys are quite familiar with the failed activation status that you may get from doing a new line, port in, or upgrade. So we're going to show you some tips and tricks in regards to how to tackle these problems. So the failed activation notice can be situated a few ways. You may just have to wait for the system to recognize the activation. Ideally, it may take only 5 to 10 minutes for the system to update the failed or pending status. Also keep in mind that using the proper SIM card for the activation is critical in speeding up the process. For example, using the black SIM card for Metro ports while using the white SIM card for Cricket ports. Always use a SIM card that is opposite the network you are porting from, AT&T versus T-Mobile networks. Follow these best practices to ensure timely activations. If the prior step did not work, you may have to close Elevate Web completely and relaunch the program. For some reason, this tends to work well with failed and pending activations. Additionally, you may also synchronize Elevate Web to assist with the status. On the top left-hand side of the screen, there is a gray sidebar icon with 3 lines. Click the icon, then select the synchronize option, the 8th icon from the top. This will refresh the system and should help with activation issues. Check the status of your activation and it should show an active status. Add a line error message. This add a line error message is often the result of trying to add a line to an existing account that does not have an updated plan. During the TN to BTN migration, BTN unfortunately did not update the customer's account from the old premium plan to the newer plans available. The old plan offering 35 gigabytes of high-speed data and the newer plans offering 40 or 50 gigabytes of high-speed data. In order to successfully add the line, you must first upgrade the customer's account to the new $50 or $60 plan. A full payment must be taken before such changes can occur. Once the adjustment has been made and is reflected on the system, you can then add up to 4 lines on a premium plan, 5 lines total. Be sure to double check the primary line's current plan and ensure they are on an updated plan before attempting to add lines. In closing, just do it on TN. Just kidding. Unfortunately, TN will be shutting down at the end of the month and all activations will be processed through BTN. These are only a few tips to overcome activation issues and each case may vary. There are other resources available such as calling BTN dealer support line or using frontline escalations. Use link underneath GroupMe messaging thread. Any future concerns can also be addressed with managers and AEs once proper troubleshooting has been done.